This is my brush pot. You know how you go to museums and the Asian art collection, they have the most beautiful ceramic brush pots or jade brush pots. So this is actually an antique jelly mold. You can see that it would create this sort of Art Deco aspect or something like that. I do like the ribs on the side and these ribs on the bottom just for a little bit of extra cleaning of the brush.
Why did these hammers have little hats?
We are in Hawaii, and this is not a super sealed studio, so everything rusts like crazy. In fact, they probably are rusted under there. In an attempt to keep it from rusting, I put them in little baggies.
Does it work?
Often people use baby socks. I had to be extra and make bags for them.
I am astounded at the level of care. See, this is how you should treat your tools. Very
They
important.
cost a lot of money. I can't buy new ones.
I do one more thing to my plates, which is I round the corners just a little bit. This particular file I bought in an open market in Mexico. It's open market, and there was a guy running a little hardware store stand in the market, and he had these for like $1.50. I picked one up knowing exactly what I would use it for. You know, it does two things. I like the look, but maybe more importantly, it prevents me from jabbing myself. And that's pretty much it.
So I started collecting these clementine crates. You know, now you can't even get them like this. I mean, just within the time I started collecting them, they started packaging them in the clementines in cardboard, again, with just a digital print that is ugly. I took apart the crates and I made all these little pieces. I just deconstructed the crates. They're, non-functional, but they have the feeling that they might be functional. I got so interested in them that I decided I wanted to make larger forms with them.
Oh, there's another tent?
There is. Come on in here. This is a grow light. Don't look directly at it because it's...
Wait, where is it turning on? Oh, whoa.
We start it usually down there and then turn it all the way on.
We look like we're in a Shakespearean play.
Yes, it's used for growing plants. Let me drag this over. It'll be quick because the light is right there.
How do you know to use this?
Julia Whitney Barnes does beautiful work. She had one at home, and I was like, that's brilliant. So I got one.